I just want to use it on an angle like so. I could do so. We're checking out a cordless screwdriver by HYCHIKA 4-volt 2.0 AH electric screwdriver. It's a rechargeable battery operated screw gun with the bit set, front LED and rear flashlight, ratchet wrench, charging with USB cable, a 36-piece accessory kit. We have a small instruction manual about your tool. All the bits, the USB cord to charge, it is a micro cable. The right angle tool, which is your screw gun, with just some of the adapters, sockets, and drill bits that are offered. We have here is the reverse and forward button on both sides, the trigger, and on top, the right angle will convert over to a straight tool, a holding gun. Now it is dedicated to bits that you put in, 1/4 bits, that you pull the hand, slide the black knob down, place in to lock in, so it locks into place so you can make your drill with the single bit. To remove it, just simply pull it, take the special adapter for a screw bit, or you can put in the actual bit like so. We take a Phillips head and we could put on very easily. And to remove, just simply pull. And to add to a socket, you simply just take the piece that goes on and take the socket that you need to put on to do your work. Each socket has a place that goes into its slot and is numbered. And you simply take this particular piece put in and put everything away in order like so. It's a nice holding case to hold all your pieces, including your charging cable and your gun that you need to readjust to the right angle. It is very easy to lock like so and carry. On the front has a light, as you can see, and when you fully pull the trigger, it will go in one speed when you press the locking mechanism to forward. On the back we have a flashlight that has a switch that you can shine so you can see. To charge the unit up, you're going to match the cable to the area of interest over here and plug in to your power supply. When plugged in for the first time, it lights up green to red. When fully charged, this will light up to green. I want to take this screw out. And I want to put a new screw in. I switch over and I just simply put in. If I want to take a screw out that's existing into the wood, I want to put in, I just do so like that. I want to sink it in. Does a good job. A small tool on the go, excellent indeed to do the jobs that you need it to do, screwing, drilling, and so forth. It fits into anywhere you need to put it at. I hope this is a product, something for your toolkit. Enjoy your product if this is what you're looking for in your projects.